getting them to be sworn in. Now, you'll still see a lot of Chebukati. After his disqualification for Mombasa race for governor by the IEBC, former Nairobi Governor Mike Sonko has today filed an application seeking to stop the gazettement of all Mombasa-nominated aspirants cleared by the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission to run for the position of governor. Tobias Chanji reports from Mombasa.
After suffering a setback to succeed Mombasa Governor Ali Hassan Joho, former Nairobi Governor Mike Sonko filed the said ex parte application before Justice John Mativo in Mombasa. Among the prayers by Sonko is to stop the gazettement of all nominated aspirants for the governor's seat in Mombasa, as he plans to present a complaint against IEBC before the Electoral Dispute Resolution Committee for declining to clear his papers for the Mombasa. On Tuesday, Sonko suffered a setback after IEBC declined to clear him for failure to meet Chapter 6 provisions of the Constitution on leadership and integrity following his December 2020 impeachment by members of Nairobi City County Assembly.
So they thought directed that.
So are you teaching the courts what the job they're supposed to?
IEBC returning officer Swalaha Yusuf said Sonko had no court orders to compel IEBC to clear him to run.
The point is so clear. If there is a case, a pending appeal at the Supreme Court, the Commission said there is no pending appeal, and if there is no pending appeal, you cannot.
So, Commission, there is a pending appeal. There is a pending appeal.
The court should have given that order to IEBC that there is a pending appeal.
On Monday, a 3-judge bench lifted orders issued to stop the IEBC from receiving Sonko's documents until 3 petitions filed against him are heard and determined. Sonko has cited IEBC Wafula Chebukati, the county returning officer Mombasa, and the Attorney General as respondents.
Only sticky issue is the issue of Article 75 on the standing of public officers who have been impeached. And our position as the legal team for Honorable Sonko is that he has a pending appeal at the Supreme Court of Kenya, being petition number 008 of 2022. That appeal is coming up on Friday the 10th, June 2022 for directions.
Wakati nilikuwa impeached kama governor wa Nairobi, Bwana Chebukati aligazette by election ya Nairobi ifanyike. Then baada ya siku 5 tarehe 4 Januari 2021, Chebukati aligazette watu wale watasimama ama kugombea kiti cha ugavana Nairobi, na wale watu waliorodheshwa kwa hiyo gazette notice, mmoja wao alikuwa ni governor aliyeimpeachiwa Kiambu under the same article 75.
Sonko in his affidavit said that he was aggrieved by the IEBC decision, as he was never accorded a chance to be heard, neither was he summoned by the electoral officials to clarify allegations raised against him.
Kwa hivyo mimi sioni vizuizi zile tunawekewa, sioni kama ni vizuizi za sawa, na this is what I'm telling IEBC. I want to repeat myself. Is there a law for Sonko, law for Waititu, law for Chebukati, for Weluke? No. We only have one constitution here in Kenya that was promulgated in 2010. And the law is very clear.
Tobias Chanji, KT News, Mombasa County.
Well, let's see how the IEBC reacts to this. Already they have a press statement out and press conference. They might just address this and trust KTN News to bring it to you. Now, the Ministry of Health is tonight concerned over the rising cases of COVID-19 in the country that has seen